Hi, baby.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Toads.
Clothes? What are you doing with the clothes?
This one.
Are you putting them in the basket?
Yes, almost there.
Almost there. Oh, good job.
Please.
What's next? Do you push the basket? Where do you push it to?
Room.
In the room.
The room.
Good job. Thank you, Dylan. Can you come here, please? I have more for you. Here we have our already washed laundry. Here, Dylan.
Wet. It's wet.
It's wet. Where does it go if it's wet?
Put it tiger.
Put it in the dryer.
Yes. Wet.
Wet?
Yes.
Where does it go?
There.
Oh, okay.
Another one.
Nope, that's all. All done.
Toads.
Thank you.
And press it.
Push it.
Yes.
Hold on.
And press it. Then robot.
What do you want?
Robot on please.
The Roomba? You want to vacuum now?
Yes.
Are you my helpful baby boy?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Say bye.
Bye.